Hello, listeners of Good Morning BSS World podcast. This is Victor Doctor, and today I have something completely new for you. As we started the year 2026, I am implementing something completely new in the series of my podcast. And this new part of these talks, which I am recording today, is having a brand new name, which is Raw BPO and GBS update. In the shortcut, this is RBGU. So, Raw BPO and GBS update, what is it and what is going to be? So, first of all, those are going to be very short updates from the BPO and GBS industry. Short, what I mean by that, those are the talks which last more or less 3 to 5 minutes and they are raw. So it means that when I do my mistake, you'll hear this mistake. There are no repetitions, there are no double recordings, nothing like that. The whole recording, as it is going to be recorded, it is going to be passed on you. There is no intro and no outro of those talks. So you just listen to this, what I am sharing with you. And in every episode, which are going to be shared with you quite regularly, I would say, but with no specific calendar of having those recordings to be released, I will be focusing just on one subject. Make it straight and short, just to allow you to get more familiar with more news coming from BPO and GBS industry worldwide. So, let's start. This is the first episode of those series, and I have first news for you. So, the first premiere episode news is coming from Africa. Did you know that in 2024 in Africa was created Africa Federation of GBS Associations? So far they already have 9 country members and new ones are joining nearly every quarter of a year. Among 9 existing members on January 2026 there were the following countries. Let me open their webpage current at the moment and I will share with you the names of those countries. And at the end of today's episode, I will, of course, give you the web address of their page. So let's go back to those 9 countries who are already the members. Those are Egypt, Ethiopia, Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Rwanda, South Africa, Uganda, and Zimbabwe. Those 9 countries are already very much active on the works of the foundation, and the new ones, as I mentioned, are joining nearly every quarter of a year. Let's take a look on the main objectives which the federation has. So first of all, the main objectives are looking as follows: policy, advocacy, and government engagement, stakeholder engagement, and partnership building, continuous learning and knowledge sharing, brand development and marketing, implementation of best practices and standards, youth employment and skills development, impact sourcing and community engagement, sustainability and social responsibility. So, as you could listen, there are quite good objectives which the federation has in front of itself and is taking care of having them implemented and being done on a regular basis. Very nice ones. But who is doing that? Who stands behind the whole federation? So there are very interesting people who are the father and the mother of this project, which are Tracy Freeman and Mark Angus. Those two have created the whole idea of the federation, but as in the every good and big project, they are not the only ones who takes care of this initiative to move forward. And in the group of people who are involved in representing every part of Africa, there are the following people in the beginning of the year 2026. And those are Amal Hassan, who represents West Africa and is a representative of Outsource to Nigeria. Chantal Kayunga is responsible for the Central Africa and she is representative of Rwanda GBS Growth Initiative. Rashni Singh is representing Southern Africa and she is the CEO of BPESA from South Africa. Rolana Rajvan is representing North Africa and she is international consultant GIZ and ITIDA representative coming from Egypt. And the last but not least, Wond Wesen Zeudi. He is representing East Africa, President, Ethiopian Outsourcing Association. So those were the very short news from RGBU, Raw, BPO, and GBS update. Talk to you soon in the next episodes of this kind of series within Good Morning BSS World podcast. This was Victor Doctor. Thank you very much. See you and talk to you later.